Hey everyone! Looking for the best handheld steam cleaner to keep your home spotless and sanitized? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing handheld steam cleaners of the year, considering power, portability, safety features, and real-life cleaning scenarios. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Asiga Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Asiga HY308 Handheld Steam Cleaner delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning and sterilization with 1050 W of power, heating water to 270 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 to 5 minutes. Its 350 milliliters water tank provides 8 to 10 minutes of continuous steam, effectively removing stubborn stains like oil, dirt, and food debris from various surfaces including floors, tiles, sofas, windows, cars, and upholstery. Designed for safety, it features anti-dry burning power-off protection, a safety valve, and precise temperature control to prevent damage. The package includes 11 versatile accessories for deep cleaning in hard-to-reach areas such as sinks, range hoods, and car interiors. Eco-friendly and natural, it uses only water and electricity, eliminating harmful chemical residues. Lightweight at just 3.52 pounds with a 9.8-foot power cord, this portable steam cleaner offers effortless mobility and efficiency. For best use, follow safety instructions to ensure long-lasting performance and user safety. Number 4. Tysiak Handheld Steam Cleaner. This Tysiak EM316 Handheld Steam Cleaner offers powerful, chemical-free cleaning for your home and more. Its impressive 500 milliliters capacity heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes, providing 10 to 15 minutes of continuous, high-pressure 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam, perfect for tackling tough grime. You get a comprehensive 16-piece accessory set, giving you the right tool for every job, from kitchen grease to car interiors and hard-to-reach crevices. A standout feature is the upgrade automatic steam function, which eliminates constant manual pressure, making your cleaning experience far more ergonomic and reducing thumb strain. Embrace chemical-free innovation. This cleaner uses only the natural power of steam, making it ideal for households with children, pets, or anyone sensitive to harsh chemicals. Built with premium high-temperature resistant PP material, it offers superior heat insulation for safety, and the generous 9.8-foot power cord provides excellent reach. It's a versatile and safe cleaning solution for various surfaces. Number 3. Steam Fusion Handheld Steam Cleaner. This Steam Fusion EM309 handheld pressurized steam cleaner is a versatile solution for deep cleaning. It's suitable for a wide range of surfaces including cars, grout, upholstery, furniture, floors, tiles, ovens, bathrooms, and kitchens. With 1050 watts of power, it heats up rapidly in just 3 minutes, delivering a powerful, pressurized 221 degrees Fahrenheit hot steam for up to 12 continuous minutes. This allows for professional-grade deep cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals, effectively penetrating surfaces to clean. The steamer is efficient at reaching most hard-to-access areas, ensuring a hygienic environment free from residue or odors. Its fast heating capability and prolonged steam output make it ideal for extended cleaning sessions for both home and car detailing. It's a powerful, portable, and chemical-free option for comprehensive cleaning. Number 2. Kermity Handheld Steam Cleaner. This Kermity Handheld Steam Cleaner is a powerful and versatile tool for chemical-free cleaning. With 1050 watts of steam power, it heats up rapidly in just 3 to 5 minutes to emit 239 degrees Fahrenheit, 115 degrees Celsius, of pressurized hot steam, making it highly effective against grease, dust, and stains on various surfaces. It's truly multifunctional, capable of cleaning everything from floors, tiles, grout, and upholstery to windows, cars, furniture, and kitchen areas. You get a comprehensive 12-piece accessory set, including various nozzles and brushes, allowing you to tackle hard-to-reach spots and tailor the cleaning to your specific needs. Safety is a key priority with this steamer. It uses pure water steam, making it safe for homes with kids and pets. Features like automatic power disconnect for an empty boiler and a child-proof safety cap are also included. Despite its power, it's compact and portable, not feeling heavy during use, and boasts a long 9.4-foot power cord for flexible use indoors or outdoors. The 350 milliliters water tank, 250 milliliters recommended fill, allows for continuous cleaning sessions. Number 1. Outs Purge Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Outs Purge Handheld Steam Cleaner features a large 350 milliliters water tank, allowing up to 250 milliliters used per session with a quick 3 to 5 minute heat-up time. Its upgraded closed heating system reaches 105 degrees Celsius (221 degrees Fahrenheit) for powerful, continuous steam lasting 8 to 10 minutes without needing water refills. This chemical-free cleaner uses only water, ensuring safe, residue-free sanitation. Equipped with child safety locks, heat, and steam-ready indicators, it prevents accidental use and guarantees optimal performance. The versatile 13-in-1 accessory set adapts to various cleaning tasks, from kitchens and bathrooms to cars and upholstery, easily removing grease, dust, and stubborn grime from hard-to-reach spots. Designed with user comfort in mind, it includes a long 9.85-foot power cord for flexible mobility. Constructed with high-temperature-resistant ABS material, the cleaner offers effective heat insulation to prevent burns during use. Note: this product is not affiliated with or endorsed by Bissell or the Bissell Steam Shot Cleaner. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.